Here's our 2005 Ford F450 Super Duty. It has a 6-liter diesel motor. You can see there's strobes in the headlights. We have an LED light bar up on top. Has the aluminum wheels all the way around. See the traffic stick up there. Some of the LEDs are burnt out in them, but it still works. Red and amber in the rear. And strobe lights in the tail as well. This here is the dynamic 701 BTW. So it does have the separate boom. The boom extends. It has twin winches. This here is all aluminum diamond plate. The external controls. There you can see it runs your passenger winch, driver's winch, then your main boom's up, down, and then in and out. These are aluminum toolboxes on the side, aluminum doors. Here it comes with wheel lift spacers. Here's your valve body. We've owned this truck since brand new. Everything works. See the tread depth there. There's the front tire, about that much of the quarter. The rear tires, the outer ones a little bit less. The inner ones quite a bit more. See, she's not blowing any smoke. Tires are on this side are about the same. The outers have a little less. Inners quite a bit more. There's your fuel cap. We have some ratchet straps, some compartments for little random tools. All the truck's been converted to LED lighting all the way around. Does have power windows, lock. This is actually an air ride seat, so it air rides going up and down. We do have the, but the seat does not move forward, backwards. It's just got an air filled up and down. We do have the stock chassis in the event you want that back as well. Behind the seat you can see there's some storage. Here's the remote. It's not wireless, it is wired in. Truck does have a backup camera. It also has 8 auxiliary switches. This one's your PTO, and then all your lights. There's your auxiliary or your traffic signal for the rear. Turn everything off. We do have the cup holder for there as well. Interior is all pretty clean. No tears in the seats or anything along those lines. The miles on the truck, 115,977. If you have any questions, feel free to email us.